Fast folk remedies for the red eye. Most cases of red eye will disappear on their own within a week or two. Whether you can relieve red eye, also known as conjunctivitis, at home depends on what type of red eye you have and how severe it is. You should immediately consult your ophthalmologist in case have pain or some vision problems. Sensitivity to light. Your symptoms do not give up after a week or more, or if they get worse. Your eye produces a lot of pus or mucus. You have any other symptoms of infection such as fever or pain. The red eye is a common cause of school failure and can quickly get infected in school environments. Make sure your kids know how to avoid getting red eye and other eye infections. What can be done at home to relieve the red eye? If you wear contact lenses, you should stop wearing them while you have red eye. Be sure to carefully clean your contact lenses before starting using them again. Better yet, get some new contact lenses. You should also stop using eye makeup while you have an infection. Get rid of your old eye makeup and, when your eyes are already healthy, start using new makeup. If one or both eyes are red and you feel discomfort, it could be an allergic red eye, viral red eye, or a bacterial red eye. Sometimes it's easy to know what kind of red eye it is. But on other occasions, only the doctor will be able to tell what causes the problem. Folk remedies for bacterial and viral red eye. Viral red eye is similar to a common cold but in the eyes. There is no treatment for the virus, and usually the only thing that can be done is to wait for it to heal on its own. The viral red eye should disappear within 1 or 2 weeks, without any treatment. The bacterial red eye usually produces more mucus or pus than the viral or allergic red eye. Bacterial red eye can be treated with antibiotics prescribed by your doctor. To reduce the symptoms of viral red eye take ibuprofen or other over-the-counter analgesic. Use OTC lubricating eye drops, artificial tears. Put a face towel moistened in warm water over the eyes, for a few minutes. To make a compress and use it over the eyes, soak a clean face towel in warm water, squeeze it until it no longer drips. Put the wet towel over the eyes and leave until it cools down. You can repeat this several times a day or as often as you find it most comfortable. Use a clean face towel each time so as not to spread the infection. If you have infectious red eye on both eyes, use different towels for each eye. If your eyelids stick together, a warm face towel can loosen the hardened mucus so you can open your eyes. Folk remedies for allergic red eye. If your conjunctivitis is produced by allergies, it is important to detect the source of the allergy and suppress it. The allergic red eye will continue as long as it is in contact with whatever is causing it. Allergic red eye is not contagious. You can keep going to work or school with allergic conjunctivitis, and no one will get caught. To reduce the symptoms of allergic red eye take anti-allergic drugs or use anti-allergic eye drops. Put a cool wet face towel over the eyes for a few minutes. Use OTC lubricating eye drops, artificial tears. Breast milk for the red eye? Blogs and social media sometimes send recommendations that indicate using breast milk to put it in a child's red eye. There is no scientific basis to support this use of breast milk for the red eye and could be more harmful than beneficial. Eye infections in children can be very serious, they can even cause blindness. Do not delay to consult the doctor and do not rely solely on folk remedies. Those who write blogs and recommend the use of breast milk for the red eye argue that substances contained in breast milk can cure the infection and relieve inflammation. But one of the few studies to determine whether breast milk can cure infections not only found that it cannot cure the most common causes of red eye, milk can introduce new bacteria into the eye. For the study, milk was collected from 23 healthy mothers at San Francisco Hospital. Milk was examined to determine its effect on common red eye causes and was also subjected to cultures to look for bacteria that were already present in milk. Breast milk had a small effect on a few types of bacteria but did not give as good results as antibiotics. In addition, bacteria already in breast milk could cause other serious eye infections. There are too many bad tips on how to relieve the red eye on the internet. Never put in your eyes anything that has not been approved by a doctor. Food and herbal extracts are not sterile and can make things much worse. What should not be done when you have red eye? Whatever type of red eye you have, do not use drops to reduce redness of the eyes, such as Vicina. This type of drops can cause great discomfort if you have an infection and may make your symptoms worse. The red eye, both viral and bacterial, can spread easily, as easy as the common cold spreads. If you have an infection in one eye, be careful not to disperse it to the other eye. And be careful not to disperse the infection in public. How to avoid the spread of the red eye? Basic hygiene is enough to not transmit the infection to others or pass it to your other eye. Change the covers and sheets on a daily basis. Use a clean towel every day. Wash your hands frequently, especially after touching your eyes. Do not wear contact lenses until your eyes are back to normal. Don't share anything that touches your eyes.